Welcome to Lesson 8. In this lesson, we're going to talk about the exit indicator. Let's get started. We're on our MT4 platform with Soft Forex software, and we're going to exit some trades. And so let's do the first method of using a set amount of pips for your take profit and your stop loss. So I like the 1-to-2 ratio, 1 part stop loss, 2 parts take profit, but I also like 1-to-3. And so let's do one. We've got our indicators here as we had in the last lesson. The Kijun Sen, our baseline, our primary indicator, Arun, and our shaft trend cycle for our secondary indicator, and then Wada-Atar explosion as our volume indicator. So let's get into some trades. We crossed over the baseline, but we don't have confirmation on all those indicators, so let's keep on going until we get everything telling us to go short. Okay, and we're going short here. The Arun has now given us confirmation. We're going to use that example I gave before of a set amount of stop loss and take profit. 50 pips stop loss, 100 pips for a take profit, and we're just going to use the minimum amount of lot size here. We'll put the sell order in, and well, this one worked out, so that's great. But what if we didn't make a take profit? What if we just wanted the take profit to be indicated by our indicators to tell us to get out? And you can use an additional exit indicator, or you can use the indicators that you have. Essentially, your exit indicator just has to be a really fast indicator. It has to be much faster than normal. And your indicators that you choose could be fast already. So let's do this trade one more time. Let's get rid of the take profit and just keep the stop loss at 50 pips and go from there. So we're going to wait for the confirmation. We get it. We put in our order. And now we're just looking at our indicators to tell us to get out. So let's do that. Okay, now it looks like we've got the shaft trend cycle telling us to get out, and we've got the Wada-Atar explosion telling us to get out as well. So we exit the trade. So that's another way to exit a trade. And now let's go do this in Strategy Quant, and I'll show you the details of how you can do this in a bunch of different ways. We're here in Strategy Quant software. And guess what? There is a lot of exit strategies that you can implement into the parameters for your builder. And I'm going to get into some of them, but there is a lot of room for growth here. So let me show you what kind of options you have. Builder. We click on full settings. Now let's go into the conditions tab here. And so conditions to exit. Remember, we have 4 indicators. The Kijun Sen, 1. Primary indicator, 2. The secondary indicator, 3. And the volume indicator, 4. So that's a minimum of 4 indicators that can exit the trade for us. But what if we wanted to add one more indicator as an exit indicator? We would want to put a maximum of 5 for the strategy quant to source out. So we click on save, and now we've got a lot of different indicators to exit. Now the stop loss, we definitely want a stop loss, okay? And we can use that as a fixed pips or ATR based, but we can also try to use indicator levels. And you can see if this works better or worse for your algorithms just based on the results you get. Press save. Now, profit target. Maybe you don't want to use a fixed pip target like I did in the example with Soft Forex where I put 100, a round number like that. Maybe you want to turn that part off. And you don't want to use an ATR based one. You just want the indicators. Okay, so then you're going to use indicators levels. And then, and then we'll click on save. Okay, now to go into building blocks here, we want to look at some other settings here. Do we want to move the stop loss to break even with some pips? Sure, that sounds great. Exit after some bars, that's another option. So it exits after 10 bars or something like that. could put that in there. But profit target, remember, do you want to set profit target or do you want to let the indicators exit for you? It says required or not, so you can turn that off and just have profit target as an option. But if you want it required, like in a set amount of pips, then you can click on required. But if you just want to keep it open-ended with the exit indicator to do that work for you, you can just click here on profit target. Now there's some other options here. Let's take a look. It says advanced trade management, scale out with multiple exits. Tons of options here, tons of ways to grow with your ideas and implement those. You can enable the advanced trade management and see what it does just from that alone, or you can start adding new exit indicator parameters of taking some profit off on the position, maybe 50% or a fixed lot. Yeah, all kinds of options here to set, and there's not one right or way to do this. There's not one set way, there's lots of ways, and it's giving you all these options so that you can figure out the best one that you want to do by trying them out. And it's pretty easy to try them out. You just click them on, put in that parameter, have it run for a few hours, see if the results look better. And that's it for this one. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thanks for watching. If you want to support my channel, you can press the like button. You can press the subscribe button. You can also write me a comment. I will write you back. If you want to donate to my channel, you can buy me a coffee. It means a lot to me and it motivates me to continue to make videos. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.